Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a review and unboxing for heuer mclaren. So as soon as we open the box, we do have the watch. "30 years of partnership, heuer, Swiss avant-garde since 1860, McLaren." The box is nice. We do have the heuer logo on the top of the box. The watch is on a nice and beautiful NATO strap, sitting on a nice firm cushion. There we go, this is the watch, a bit closer. We have the seconds of the watch at 3 o'clock. We do have the chronometer, and we have the date at 4 o'clock. The bezel, it's fixed, it's not rotational bezel. At the back of the watch, there we go. Limited edition. This is number 1334 out of 5,000. We do have the McLaren car serial number. I'm gonna get back on a strap. Operating the chronometer, just pushing the top button, and we see the seconds already start to move, and 10 seconds down the bottom, and at 9 o'clock we have the minutes which you can chronometer up to 30 minutes. To stop the chronometer, pushing the button again, pushing the down button is gonna reset. Nice and beautiful bezel, screw down crown at 3 o'clock. With the heuer logo on. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Amazing. Gonna see how is it gonna be on my look on my wrist. There we go. Let me see what you think about this one in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.